Welcome to Bangkok. Not only is Bangkok known as the capital of Thailand, it's also very well known for its bustling street food scene. It's even been referred to as the street food capital in the world, and it's also one of the cheapest places to visit as a tourist. The best part about Bangkok though is that the tourist infrastructure is far better than anywhere else in this region. So in this video, I'm going to take you around, show you parts of Bangkok, and we'll explore some prices of food, taxis, laundry, clothes, and even things like SIM cards. Alright, let's go and try and find some of the street food here in Bangkok to show you how expensive or how cheap it is. Alright, so we've got some nice portions of some kind of vegetable here, fried vegetable. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing, and they're served in small portions. And each portion costs 20 baht for the smaller ones and 40 baht for the larger portion. Alright, I've come to a place which sells noodles, spicy noodles, all vegetarian here. And it's like made from packet noodles. It costs around 60 baht for a portion of Mama Spicy's called, which is basically like noodles spiced up hardcore. And it's really nice watching him cooking the entire thing. It's in boiling water, and then he takes it out and mixes it with a lot of vegetables. It looks absolutely amazing. So here we have another place serving bubble tea smoothie, and each one only costs 20 baht. So that is around 50 pence, incredibly cheap. So as you're walking down Pratunam Market, you'll see a load of shops selling clothes, and amidst them you'll randomly see food vendors selling all sorts of stuff such as durian. They'll be selling like fried foods and, you know, like fruits and juices and teas. It's amazing. You've got mango and sticky rice here for 50 baht. And you've also got some coconuts here for only 50 baht. How much for a portion?
40 baht.
40 baht. Okay, thank you. And what is this here? Is it orange juice? Orange juice. How much is this? 50 baht. We've also got this really small kind of unusual coffee shop here at the end of the alley called Eve Muslim Cafe House, and it's serving up some delicious drinks. They've got some Thai tea, lemon tea, they've got iced coffee. They've even got Italian soda such as green soda, lychee soda, plum soda. This one looks incredible. I'm not sure what it's called, but it looks like a chocolate Thai drink and avocado or matcha, I think it is. I think the idea is come here, shop and drink coffee whilst you're shopping around if you need a break, looking through all the clothes. Thank you. Alright, so we're just getting some coconut pancake. I've never had that before. 60 baht for one, which is like £1.40 or something. Check these out. Alright, so we're in a satay place right now. As you can see, there's so many different types of satay here. We're going to actually be going for a beef and a chicken. It costs 30 bahts each, which is around £1.40. Alright, so here it is. We have got the chicken satay and also the beef satay, and it's drenched in kind of like this sauce that they put inside. Smells incredible, and they put all these like vegetables, peppers and onions and stuff like that on top. Alright, so let's head to a 7-Eleven, because I think 7-Elevens are one of the best places to buy a SIM card from. So this is one of the main things tourists need when in Bangkok, and to be honest, anywhere else in Thailand as well. In fact, a local SIM will prevent you from being overcharged anywhere you go in the world. So you can buy a local SIM at the airport, but in my experience, prices have been a little bit cheaper once you're out from the airport. I highly recommend heading over to any one of the 7-Elevens, where you can either ask one of the store assistants to go through the options, or you can either find these small areas where you can look through and find the best option. We got unlimited data for 15 days for only 299 baht. The other question is, which provider should I use? So Thailand actually has quite a few providers, but the three main ones are TrueMove, AIS and DTAC. I've been recommended the TrueMove network provider, and honestly can say that it served me extremely well. Alright, so I'm just waiting for my Grab taxi right now. Should be here in about 2 minutes.
Hello. If you're looking for a way to get around Bangkok, I highly suggest looking into taxis. Taxis in Bangkok are extremely affordable. They're extremely comfortable, and some of them even come with free waters. Some of them come with charging and other various things that the taxi driver will offer you that could come in use whilst you're on your journey. The taxis are quite punctual in Bangkok. They won't cancel on you like in other places I've been to around the world, and they definitely will not try and rip you off, especially if you're using an app like Grab. So Grab is basically like Uber, and it's super easy to get around using the app, and a 20-minute journey will cost you around 120 to 150 baht. I suggest using the app instead, or flagging a taxi down. You could do that as well, but using the app just makes it a little bit easier for you to monitor and track how much you're spending. A lot of the times when they realize you're a tourist, they'll probably try ripping you off, so it's better to use the app because you're in safe hands if you're looking at the cost before you spend. So just use the app. That's what I recommend. A lot easier, and it'll save you money for sure. Obviously, just like Uber, many of the Grab drivers will even come in their own vehicle. So that's something to keep in mind when you don't see a taxi driver approaching you and it's a normal car. Don't fear, don't worry. It is just like an Uber driver who uses their own car. Maybe he's working part-time as a taxi driver or something. So that's worth keeping in mind.
So now let's head to the laundrette. We've already given our clothes, so we're going to pick them up. This is a good opportunity to show you some of the prices here in the laundrettes in Bangkok. So what you do is you bring the clothes that you want to wash, and it's all based on kgs. You get the price based on kgs. So like 1 kg is worth like 40 baht. So you get your clothes, and what they do is they put it on top of here, and they'll check how many kgs it is, and then give you a price in accordance to that. It's pretty easy. It takes around 24 hours, and usually if you want it quicker, then you can get it maybe within 3 hours, and it costs a little bit extra. You can actually get it for 80 bahts for a kg express service, and that comes within like 3 hours, so it's not bad at all. So 40 bahts, £1, 80 bahts, like £2 for a kg of washing. You really can't go wrong. It's extremely cheap, and there's plenty of laundrettes all around Bangkok. Alright, so I've just come to a shop. So I'm in the Pratuna market, and you can get some really good deals here. So you've got like shirts here for 190 baht, and remember one thing, you can always haggle for anything you buy. There's no fixed price here. You have for men or just for women?
I have design men.
These are men here?
These are Thai men. I have
how much is this?
120.
120. This is 120 as well, huh?
Yes,
The 120 for these here, extremely cheap. That's about 3 UK pounds. Alright, so you've got some caps down here which you can get for 120 baht, which is extremely cheap. You won't find that price elsewhere. Alright, have you ever seen this before? A bin full of sneakers. This is how the deal goes down here. Awesome stuff. Let's find out how much it is. Excuse me, how much? Baht? 490. 490. Yes. So that costs 490 for one pair. All of them are 490?
So all different prices.
How much? Like approximately 490 to 600? Okay, so they're around 500 you could say. So that's around 11-12 pounds. Not bad at all. They got some Pumas down there, some Nikes, some Adidas. If you want a pair of trainers to walk around Bangkok with, this is the place to come, to the bin shop.
There you have it, guys. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how much Bangkok costs. From food to laundry to shopping to SIM cards, everything is at a very reasonable price here. If you're looking to visit the Far East anytime soon, I'd highly consider stopping or starting in Bangkok before you start exploring other countries, because it can be a really good point to get an idea of how much things cost in the Far East. If you're planning on coming to Bangkok, hopefully this video helps. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and like this video, and also share this video with other people who are planning on going to Bangkok, or you know anyone going to the Far East anytime soon. See you guys in another video.